Right, we'll see if this wee graphics pad works. Right, so here's a wee straight line, and you want to work out the actual equation, the line. Now that's answered down here, but we want to suss out how you actually get to that answer. So what you want to remember is the equation of the straight line is y equals mx plus c. Okay, so that's your equation. Now, if you look at the graph, there's something that will hopefully jump out at you, and this is the intersect of the y-axis, and that's what c is equal to. Okay, so c is actually equal to where the line actually intersects this y-axis. So we can now redraw or rewrite this to be y equals mx plus 18. Right, so that's already us halfway. Now, if we then look at, we need to calculate what m is. Now, m's your gradient, and that's the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, now, if we actually look here, we are given some coordinates. Okay, so that is 9, 0, and this one here is 0, 18. So we can decide what's going to be y2 and x2, and what set are going to be y1 and x1. So if I just change the colour, so if I decide we're going to have this to be y1, x1, and this is going to be x2 and y2. So it's just a matter of actually just putting this in the actual equation. So y2 is 0, minus 18, and divide that by x2, which is 9, minus x1, which is 0, and that gives you minus 18, divide by 9, which we can simplify to minus 2. Now, this is a negative slope, so it is always going to be minus. So if we then substitute this back into that equation, we've got y equals minus 2x plus 18, which is the same as the solution it's already given. Okay, so you look for c to be where the line intersects the y-axis, and m is the gradient. If it's sloping down the way, it's going to be a negative gradient. If it was sloping up the way, it would be positive, and that will reflect on the sign in front of the actual gradient.